Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create appointments on your Wix site using Wix Bookings. This is a powerful feature that allows your clients to schedule appointments directly through your website, making it easier to manage your time and grow your business. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website to proceed to your site settings. You'll now see a preview of your website settings. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct website where you want to set up appointment bookings. It's important to verify this before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. From this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to access your website editor. This is where the magic happens and where you'll be able to add and customize your booking calendar. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is your workspace for designing and adding elements to your site. Start by locating the Add Element menu on the upper left part of your screen. This menu contains all the different components you can add to enhance your website. From the menu, look for the Bookings section and click on it. This section houses all the booking-related elements that Wix offers, making it simple to integrate scheduling features into your site. Under the booking elements, you'll see different calendar types available. Locate the calendar type that suits your needs and drag it onto your website. Once you've placed it, you'll notice that in its preview, it states the calendar is not available yet. This is because we need to configure the services first. To do this, click on the calendar element and you'll see a Manage Services button appear. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Booking Services section where you can set everything up. Under the Booking Services section, you'll see 3 different types of services you can offer for clients and customers to book. You can choose from appointment, class, and course type bookings. Since we're looking to create appointments, you can simply choose from the templates under Appointments or start from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll use an existing template and customize it to fit our needs. Click on any of the appointment service types listed to get started. Now it's time to customize your service. Start by giving your service a clear name that describes what you're offering. A tagline and description are optional, but they can help provide more context to your clients. Next, set the duration of the appointment by selecting how long each session will last. This ensures your clients know exactly what to expect. Scroll down further and set the price and payment options for your service. You can choose to charge per session, offer a plan, or provide both options. Under the Price per Session section, click on the Type drop-down menu and choose from Fixed Price, Free, Varied Pricing, or Custom Price. Then enter the amount on the right side. This flexibility allows you to tailor your pricing structure to your business model. Next, enter a location for this service. You can choose a physical location or set it up as a video conferencing appointment. If you select video conferencing, click on the Add button and Wix will prompt you to input either a Zoom link or a custom conferencing URL. This makes it easy to offer virtual appointments without any hassle. Scroll down further and set the booking policy for your service. Under the online booking toggle, you can turn it on or off depending on whether you want clients to book directly from your website. You can also choose whether bookings are automatically accepted or if you prefer to manually approve each one. This gives you control over how appointments are managed. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click on the Save button. You'll now see that your calendar has appeared on your website with all the configurations you've set. Your clients can now view available times and book appointments directly through your site. And that's it, you've successfully set up appointment bookings on your Wix site using Wix Bookings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.